Alright guys, today we are going to make the trough. This would be great for feeding Wilbur if you are reading Charlotte's Web. Alright, so I'm going to use our 6-inch square to make the trough. You can use any size square you want. I wouldn't go any smaller than 4 inches just because it can get a little hard for little hands. But now I'm going to cut out the 6-inch square. Okay, now we are going to fold it into our 16. We do every time. The trough is basically a backwards barn. So if you think about it, as like the top of the barn is inverted. It really helped me. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. So now we have our 16 squares and I'm going to label them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. There you go. So now, just like the barn, we're going to cut between A and B, B and C, and C and D. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side, cutting between O and P, O and N and M. Alright, now for the barn you made this go up, right? You peaked it like a roof. Now for the trough you're going to make this go down, down. And so you're going to fold these in like this. Put N over O, B underneath C. See how it goes down? And tape or glue. And then you're going to fold these down. For the barn, you made it like this, right? You folded it like this, like peaked. So we're gonna hold it like this and we're gonna fold it down. So these points are gonna stick up and then we're gonna fold a base like this. So P and M will overlap over the triangle. See? I folded down P, I folded down M, I apply tape. I fold down D, I fold down A, I apply tape. And here we have a little trough, a little feeding trough. You can even fold this down if you wished, but in the example it does stick up. It's nice to have an easy one after 2 hard ones. I thought the barn and the rabbit hutch were hard, but see how this, instead of the roof being pointed up like this, it's just the roof is inside of it to make the trough. And of course you don't have the cut to the doors. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!